All right, welcome to Camp Valhalla. Excuse my stuffiness. Spent the day in urgent care. I got walking pneumonia and mycoplasm something. I don't know. I'm on the Z-Pack. So, people want to see the cabin? Here we go. I do have lots of firewood. Just brought my splitter up. And that's next week. We'll work on that. The cabin is 30 by 16. But really it's 24 because that's all living area. The other 6 is the porch. Got our water view over here. Sicily Pond is its name, and we own about half of it. Pretty cool. We do have a neighbor way over there. I can just barely see his cabin. Camp Valhalla. We have a natural spring about 5 miles up the road, so I bring these barrels on a trailer up there and fill it. Let's see. Got my propane for the water heater inside because it just happens to be right there. The other propane up there is for the wall heater that's there. Just installed my wood stove this trip and it's awesome. So much nicer than propane. I buried a 500-gallon pump out tank here for the toilet. Only the toilet runs into it. I got over here, this is a storage area that opens up for storage. Although my bathroom's right here, so all of my pipes run down in this way and takes away some headspace, so that was poor planning. But I never built a cabin before, so we'll chalk that up to learning. Bunch of extra siding over here that I'm going to do something inside with. Put an AC in the bedroom. That's the bedroom in the loft. All right, we'll go on inside. Okay, here's the Arctic entry / mudroom. Still got to close the ceiling in. I'll take my shoes off so my wife doesn't get mad at me, because she just cleaned the whole cabin up. My helmet racks for the snowmobiles and four-wheelers. Go around to this side. We got our bathroom, which I used all the siding for the walls. My awesome homemade urinal. Just winterized, took 3.5 gallons to winterize the whole cabin. Nice shower. It's got a regular toilet. Toilet goes into the black tank. Urinal, sink, and the kitchen sink all go into 2 50-gallon drums that I buried outside and tied together with holes in them. So 500 gallons is a lot of flushes. Hopefully we only got to do it once a year. Rachel taking a break from cleaning up everything. Awesome wood stove from Tractor Supply that we just figured out how to put that in. I didn't need the siding back here. We were well within our offset limits, but better safe than sorry. I put the heat shield back there. All right, kitchen. That's a better view. Got my 3 30-gallon barrels that I'll pump from those blue barrels into those. And my RV pump is back behind the sink. Okay, we got our awesome backsplash that my wife came up with. All the plates. We've been to 48 states with our kids, so we've got a plate from every one of them. Just got to hit Alaska and Hawaii next. On-demand water heater. I think it was like $80. It's working. It's not terrible. I wish it'd be a little bit hotter, but oh well. Put some stairs in for the loft. Here's our other plates. So we'll take the stairs are like 2 inches higher in rise than they're supposed to be, and it takes a little getting used to. Taking big steps.
But it's still better than a ladder.
It's way better than the ladder. My AC is over there in the corner. All right. This is all storage up in here. I can take that off. We got our wall heater over there. We got Rachie over there. That's good. The wall heater propane is good for in a pinch, but I don't know. It's weird. It makes the loft super hot as opposed to the wood stoves and way more even heat. Got my free sliders. I got the sliders and the windows all for free from a guy. But I did give him 2 cases of Bud Heavy. And there is our pond. Sicily Pond. So we got 5.14 acres here. The whole other side of the pond is owned by a place called Douglaston Manor. They own like, I don't know, 1 million acres in New York. It's like some, I guess he was a senator or something. They don't do anything with it. So it's just perfect. And one more trip around the inside. And that's Camp Valhalla.